All right, guys, this is the Klein Tools 15-in-1 multi-bit ratcheting screwdriver. It's impact rated with 7 double tip ProFlex torsion tips and a 1/4-inch nut driver. This is by far my go-to screwdriver for electrical, though reality is you can pretty much use it for anything. Like I said, you got 14 bits, so all you do, all your bits are right here, and they are impact rated. You can pull them, they pull out really pretty easily. Got 2 different size flat heads here, 1/4, 3/16, and it tells you on here. Now here for the bits, you have a 1/4-inch and 3/16 inch slotted. You've got these combo bits, which these are great for any kind of electrical work, pretty much any of the newer screws. I mean, it has the slotted and it has the T-square bit. These are combo, and it comes in number 1 and number 2 combo. And then you also have these square bits. These are great for electrical as well. S1 and S2, so pretty much anything. And then you've got 4 Torx bits. You got T10, T15, T20, and T25. So quite a few options there. I mean, pretty much anything you can think of. And you've got several Phillips heads here. You got 0, 1, 2, 3 for Phillips. So pretty much anything you can think of here. They're really easy to put back. They just slip right in. They just pop right in like that. This is a great screwdriver. And then you've got, so it holds 6. Then your 7th one, of course, is going to go right in there. The other things I like about this, it is ratcheting. So one way or the other. In the middle, it doesn't ratchet at all. But if you go to the right, twist this and it's ratcheting. Left, same thing, ratcheting screwdriver here. Now the other thing I really like is that the bottom here twists. Now if you've ever been doing like an outlet cover or something small, it's nice to be able to just twist it there and put the palm of your hand there and just twist it. I mean, this is a great screwdriver. Like I said, it is impact rated. So for your impact driver, and they fit really easily into your impact driver. So just like that, and it's impact rated. I mean, this screwdriver has pretty much everything I can possibly need. I use it all the time. I would definitely recommend it for anyone.